Forex it.
Hello.
How are you? How are you? Chitia.
Chilunji. Then, secondary one.
Adogamba jicha akozatya.
Eh? Let's see. Sinajija breaking na one ever.
I think it needs some more time. The next 30 minutes. The next 30 minutes or at around 10 there. London session starting at around 10.
So, tulidemuona tulawe.
So give it some more time. Then G might give us a sell.
G, eh?
Might give us a sell. As a single 30 minutes has not yet retested. It has given us this impulse to the upside since yesterday. So I think it might be hard for it to just continue like that. Without getting the structure down. So you might get some pullback. Sales on GJ are there. I don't know if your confirmation. I don't know what your confirmation is saying. What do you think? What is the time frame are you on? Which time frame are you trading today? Which time frame are you trading today?
Time frame, I'm looking at 5 minutes actually. Looking at 5 minutes, even 30 minutes, but still. Anyway, I think a good thing London is about to open, so. Next 15 minutes, never then the way now.
Use us so will be nice. I wanted it to first break through that consolidation. That's in. If it can break through that consolidation, shall be good to go. We are looking at GBP JPY and GBP USD. That's what we are trading. Yes.
Hello. I don't know why, but I think your chat has frozen, yeah?
My chat has frozen.
Yeah.
You're on YouTube also?
Yeah, via YouTube. I don't know why, but maybe if it's my network. Let me first refresh again. Oh, yeah. Now I can see it.
So I'm on 30 minutes as per now. I was saying that I want these candles to break through this consolidation here, such that we can continue. Down here we have this range of like 90 pips. So if you can break through this line here and get out of this consolidation, I think we can continue to the downside. But if we go back into this range, we might get a false breakout and then push back up to here. So this is we trade two pairs here, GBP USD and GBP JPY. I don't know if I'm loud enough, guys on YouTube. Please let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me, or if I need to adjust, I will. So just let me know in the comment section. The time is obstructing the pairs. Okay, let me try to adjust it. So let your friends know that we are live. I think that will do. Will do. So I think you can see the pairs here as well. USD and BYBT. Those are our pairs. So if you're just joining in, keep the like, share it to your friends. Let them know that hash Forex is live. Let's come and write some tips together. We've all been seeing my short videos, and you're like, you come and do it live. So yeah, we are here to do it live today to show you that things are possible. If you're not in our group, please, the link is in the description. You can join our group. For all your updates. So if GBPUSD could break this line here, we might see it selling here. If it is to continue to buy, we need to break of here. That's looking for some buys. So we shall get the confirmation. Buys. We are still in pre-London. London session is not 28 minutes. So if this kind of sells could close here, you will want to have pullback soon here. GK is still stuck. It's still stuck there. Say we need to first break down here. Those that are also looking at gold is also at an impulse, so it might be a bit risky to continue looking for buys, because if you see having that impulse there, so we need to first come back here, we need to first pull back, some structure of an uptrend if you're to continue buying gold. Okay, so if you're to continue buying gold, consider first having a pullback. Remember, it is very dangerous to make entries on impulses, so first make sure that you're getting a pullback. Such that you could get otherwise, I hope all you well. Hope you're all well. Forex, you're still with me? So you should also look at GU. We are having this impulsive move here. We also need to correct this move here, by at least having a pullback. Pullback, then see if you can get a continuation. If you are to get a sell today, it will just be a pullback of this move that happened overnight. This one here. shall be seeing that in the London session. The next 24 minutes, we need this candle to close. If it closes below this line here, we might see some sellers pushing in. There's a pullback. We are on 30 minutes. We are on 30 minutes. That's what we are looking at today. Or exit. Or exit.
Hello.
Chachiro jije muva wajifunie.
DJ.
Eh,
Enda
ando yagala kugiseri.
Eh?
Yagala kugiseri kanga mikande gadde obulungi. Kanga mikande gadde obulungi.
Nini eri wano eri mu kuzannyira mu nfeemu. Nino London kasita yakatandika. Tulabe engeri gye naagendamu.
Gio, give us something, and we see you want to fill all the pips without giving us something.
You are gonna feeling our night.
Yeah, it has to
One candle.
just to feel low. But if it breaks this zone here, then totally in the next one. Totally in the wow. People are still sleeping. Hey, what's up?
And it's a Friday. Sanga basika banyise gulo.
Because the Fridays are not good for trading.
Some people say Friday and Monday.
Tell a very rich now again that if Fridays are not good for trading. GJ is still stuck in that consolidation, man. Just break above here or below here. We can get buys here. Feel that range. 50. If there's a like 53 pips. And then below here we have like 90 pips. So I think we shall prefer sales. The sales will provide a better move than the buys. I'm getting hungry already. You can wait for hours and wait Full margin. Should we go full margin? Yeah.
Full margin, yes. Full margin. Hey, by the way,
Uh,
imagine nyagala okugamba, and the hardest job in the world is trading. Just know. Remember yesterday how we waited from morning till
it was worth it.
and waiting is one of the hardest jobs in the world. Imagine waiting while you're seeing money just flowing.
If you don't want to put in the work, you have to put in the patience. So, just imagine someone at the side right now. You know that level of patience that someone has to sit in the sun, to walk in the sun from morning to evening.
Yes.
Then at the end of the day, you're paid 20,000. But yeah, the price that you're paying, you're going to lose money, and then you have to be patient.
Okay.
So if you don't want to lose money, then you have to be patient. So whenever you enter against your confirmations,
Yes.
you know what you have done. It always costs you money if you're not patient. He is giving us a rejection, huh? He is giving us a I think I'm not lagging on my stream. Am I lagging? Yeah. G is continuing to push down. I was asking, you want full margin? Huh?
Full margin.
Just prepare your account. If I say go, we are going in. Full margin.
Full margin. Let me see. Yeah, 8 pips full margin.
Full margin, sniper entries only. So people on YouTube, when I say go, you go. Just have to stay tuned. UG USD is continuing to push down here very nicely. BK still stuck. On. So yesterday the guys were on who traded PPI with us. Should we count that as a win?
Yes, it was a win actually. Because some of us dollars, but it was a win.
Take that as a win or DK?
A win. It wasn't a loss, it was a win.
So yeah, I counted it as a win. I meant some $10.
Hey, I go $10. $10. You know, Ugandan currency. $10 can help you like at least breakfast or something. But now let's wait for they will see now pure wins.
London is starting in like 7 minutes, huh? So we shall expect some volume to come in. Forex, you ready for the full margin?
More than ready. Full margin.
Margin?
The more than ready. Full margin. Hey. Full margin, like. Change a full margin into just you can secure easily, just in case. Alternately, like produce another ili kale singa sinaingida full margin nenga more than ready.
If we get the right confirmations that we want, it's up to you. But make sure that if you're entering low margin, make sure that you can easily deposit tomorrow or for your next trade. But if you're only having $10 and want full margin, you might end the weekend. So if you want full margin, make sure that you still have money on the side. Yeah, you don't go full margin. You don't have money. If you have money, you can go full margin. If you don't have, then you have to apply proper risk management on the small amount of money that you're having, such that you can enter full margin right now. Then next week you don't have money to trade with. And then next week you get nice trades. You'll be like, when I have money, I blow. If I don't have money, I do what? I get good trades. So you have to keep on showing up even on the bad days. And the day will not be there to tell you that, you know what, man, today you're not going to move very well. So don't go in a lot. Don't enter for margin. So always remember to risk what you can afford to lose, and make sure when you're entering basing on your confirmations, not miss out any. This live stream, we are gonna be trading the BYBT strategy. That is a be your best trader. So you're gonna be witnessing the full potential of our strategy. Gonna witness the full potential. It's best. So we are governed by patience. You can sit and wait for 2 hours and then get a trade for only 30 minutes. Okay. So just stay tight. We are gonna be here with you full time. For the London session, it's going to run from 9 a.m. like up to 12. That will be our time here. 9 a.m. So always stay tuned. Always be on 9 a.m. We are gonna be live. We are gonna be live. We shall try to be consistent as possible. No, it is not easy. It is not easy to stream live every day. It's a very big commitment. It's a very big commitment. But we shall try as hard as possible to be here with you guys. So you just have to subscribe. And give us a like. Share with your friends such that we can increase on our numbers here. The numbers that are watching always motivate us to come again even tomorrow. Be knowing that we are impacting some lives. Okay, so let us draw some numbers. We'll be on and we make some money together here. Okay, for the first week, if you're not yet sure of our strategy, to grow the confidence, show up and just stay tuned and see how it is going. Look at our wins there. We have our results here on the screen. We have the wins and the losses. So yesterday we are here. We traded PPI news, though the impact wasn't that big. But those who sold made some money because we said that we were going to sell PPI. Then give us some candles, give us some 11 pips, so we were able to secure some $10. That's why we had our first win yesterday. It's yesterday that we started streaming. It was for the news. So for the news events in the New York session, we shall be coming in at around 3 for the New York. I normally trade the New York session with my private group, but for the news events, we shall always be on with you guys to make some money, so you can always keep some money on the side for trading news only. So we are trading London session 9 a.m. to 12. Then I continue with my private group for the New York session. If you can also want to join, it's open to guys. So if you want to join, us in the description. I can also add you. Also be added. You can also be added. Yeah. So London is open. London session is active. We are having our 2 sessions active right now. We have the London session active. We also have the London session active. So always note the London session is always starting at 10 East African time. So we are expecting some volume in the next 1 or 2 hours. That's why we are trading this session. Because during this time we're expecting some bit of volume between 10 and 12 there. The pairs that we are trading the British pound and the US dollar. We are trading the British pound because we are in the London session. So because we are in the London session, we shall trade the pound because its session is active. So we will be expecting some volume because of that. Then we also look at the British pound passing the Japanese yen. It's also a very nice pair to trade during this time. Why? Because you're having 2 sessions active. The British pound, which is London session, and then the yen session still active, and that's why we have the Japanese yen. So if you combine those 2, it can always give you those nice movements during this time. That's why we are trading those pairs during this time. So even if you have some pairs you'd love us to look at, you can always put them in the comment section. We can give you our view on them. Yep.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why to say fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts.
Wanted to get
Take the best thoughts.
GU to first come at least give us a week touching this line here.
Push past all the pain and you find it.
Show that it has resisted.
Finally explore
But
everything.
if it does not have this top wick up,
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
we shall not get our entry. But if this candle could
I never answer.
first flip bullish and give us a top wick, that being this line here, means it has retested this line here. If it flips bearish again, then we can get some sells, stop loss, the wick on the top wick that it has created. Let me see if it can continue driving down here. So yeah, if this candle can flip, touch there, give us a top wick, we can end down with this that kind of flips bearish again, put a stop loss wick, and then we see if it can drive here. We still have some pips to fill, some 10 pips, some 10 pips fill. So if it gives us, we shall be able to enter. But then if it doesn't, then yeah, we wait some more. London session is just starting. We still have some more 2 hours here. We still have some 2 hours here. So if you want to enter full margin, say that in rules for entering full margin. If you want risk management, also consider that. If you have your money, you can enter full margin because you can easily deposit for an next trade. But if you're still having some difficulties, in funding your account, then your risk management should be tight. You should just risk a portion of the account that you have. Okay. So if that candle can flip bullish again, bearish again, you might see it. Pushing and filling that range and filling those 8 pips. If it flips bearish again, you might have it pushing down after this one. We still have some 51. That is like 21 minutes on this candle, on this 30 minutes closure. So yeah. Just giving us our top week, the one that we have been waiting for. So if it flips bearish again, it's most likely to continue pushing downwards. So make your accounts ready. If you're to provide the entry, you'll see us telling you to enter, but if we don't say it, you don't have to enter. Okay, so the candle has flipped bearish again. So flip bearish again, just some 9 pips to fill. in, we shall provide storage of something like this to show that entry. Okay, so if you don't find that there, then that shows that we are not yet in. Okay, so right now we are not yet in. We are not yet in. We are not yet in. Forex, are you looking at GBP JPY? You want to give me some updates if in case I'm missing out something? I would want you to give me some updates just in case. Okay.
I'm not missing out anything. Still in that zone.
That is okay. That is okay.
So still in that zone.
Okay. I think JJ is going back into the zone here. Say that JJ, if JJ goes back into the zone, this can qualify to be a false breakout here. Then if it breaks above this yellow line here, we might see it pushing up here, because if you were to look on the left hand side, you're having that traffic, so meaning it will have that range to fill. We'll have those 50 pips to fill. You're still on GU, you're still on GU. We are still on GU. Anytime from now, we might get our first entry. So, Brexit. I think you should prepare your account very soon.
Yeah.
In the next seconds, we might take some entries. Just a few pips, but I'm seeing it is covering everything. Come on. It's covering everything. Okay. I need to make some entries there, but
Man, 6 pips TP.
yeah, it has covered the whole range.
And
It
then
has overflipped.
yeah.
Overflipped. The profit is very, very, very near. We say that if that kind of flips bearish again, we may most likely to continue pushing down. That's what it has done.
Yeah.
But the momentum has been so. Momentum has been so weak. So we might see it pushing down here, finding this support.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life.
Just over pushed.
Hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
That's too big, risking if we were to enter, our stop loss would be above this week here. Be above this week here. And let's take profit was 222. So remember, always buyers come from support and sellers come from resistance. That's why we be taking our profits on this support.
I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these
Momentum has been so big.
my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath. I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.
That would have been our trade. Though the risk to reward ratio wasn't that convenient. Wasn't that convenient for us. So I think we need to first get a break of that support zone and see if we can get more confirmation below here. We need this candle to close below this zone. When this zone is broken, right now it is acting as support, so it would be very dangerous for us to be taking trades here, because this is support, and if you're having support, we're having buyers. Okay, so we need these sellers to first break and close below this zone. When they close below this zone, this candle is turned into what? The resistance. After turning it into resistance, we need a candle to touch that point to show us the retest, and then we see if we can flip and continue down to the next level of support as our take profit. As our take profit, GJ. Also GJ, we need GJ to continue pushing up. If this candle closes above this resistance line, need it to turn into support. When it is turned into support, buyers always come from support, so meaning we shall be having some buyers to push the market to the upside. But if this sun is still acting as resistance, we're about to enter buys, because we can get sellers coming in from this level, then pushing downwards. Would have gotten these pips here, but you saw how the candle moved very fast. Wanted to enter it and get some 7 pips, risking like some 2 to 3 pips. But then that wasn't possible. Momentum was kicking in. Momentum was too much. So if you entered some sales here, you have taken some profits on that support level. Stop loss would be above that week. The stop loss would be above that week. We had said that we needed that candle to first flip bullish. That's what it did. Flipped bullish. It gave us that top week, and then we said if it flips bearish again, we might see it coming down till that zone. That's what it did. So if you're to continue bearish, we need under closure below that zone, because right now it is acting as support. And if you're having support, you're having buyers, you might get them, and then they continue pushing the market upwards. So we need to see candles closing below that zone, turning it into resistance. That's what we need to see. Bridges pushing up very well. The candle is remaining with some 9 minutes to close. We said we need this candle to close above that resistance zone. It can close above, that would be good. Those that are just joining us, like the live, share the live to your friends, and let them know that we are live. We say that we shall try to be consistent with you. We're gonna be here on for the high impact news. Those red folders shall be on in the New York session around 3 p.m. East African time up to the time of the release. That is in the New York session. The New York session said that I normally trade with my private guys for the New York session. So if you want to join up with them, you are also welcome. But for the London session, we shall be on starting 9 a.m. Starting 9 a.m. up to around 12 p.m. East African time. So subscribe, turn on that notification bell, such that you don't miss our BYBT concepts. Don't miss out our strategy. Okay. Forex it.
Yes.
How is it your side? Did you take the sell?
No, I didn't take that. So let that risk 6 pips. Yeah, and you know that the risk that we take, full margin. So
yeah, if it was full margin, you'd have made some money. You closed, and it closed from here. And it closed from here. Yeah. You have closed from there.
I made some $60, but
So you don't need 100 pips to make breakfast. You just need 9 pips.
Just 9 pips.
Yeah.
Full margin is like $900. Okay.
I just didn't want to enter because some guys are after risk to reward ratios. Be like, oh my god, this guy is risking 3 pips to make. Is risking 9 pips to make 3 pips. So, but if I was alone and I knew that the trade would work, I would take the trade.
They've taken it.
Yeah, if I was alone, my own trading, and I've tested my concepts, I know they work. So if I was sure that the trade would work, it would hit my take profit. And if I was willing to lose that amount of money, I would take the trade. So it wouldn't be proper for someone who's just starting. I'd be teaching them bad manners.
And there was the risk 30 pips to make 4 pips.
Risks, which is which is dangerous. So I want to give these people the proper thing how someone should trade. Okay.
Okay.
Just keeping it simple. Just shooting candles. Okay. That's what we are on. Reading price action, support and resistance. Good to go. So those on the stream, I don't know if you have any questions. If you have any questions, our comment section is always open. If you're also enjoying the live, yeah, you can give us some W's in the chat. Give us some W's in the chat if you're enjoying the stream. Okay. Let's go. 3 minutes to the next candle closure. To the next 30 minutes closure. We have 3 minutes. So let us see how our candles are closing. This one has closed is closing bullish, giving us let us wait. Let us give some 3 minutes to see how this candle is closing. See how this candle is closing. GJ. This might be a false breakout on GJ. This one here. But if you had to look for buys, we need it to come above this free traffic on the left hand side. So if you had to take buys here, you might find this resistance and then it pushes back us down. So we need to see it. Need to see some kind of a buys above this zone here. Fill the range. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god. 30 seconds. Don't have any decision yet on GJ because it is still respecting this zone as resistance. That is not good. So no decision yet on GJ. Decision as yet on GJ. We needed it to close above, but you're seeing it is closing below this zone and it is respecting it as resistance. Say that if you're having resistance, if you're having supply and demand, what does that mean? Those people who trade supply and demand, how is this zone called? Is it called supply or is it called demand? How is resistance called in terms of supply and demand? So if this candle is still respecting this resistance level, or if this zone is still respecting this zone as its supply or is it demand? So we need to break above this resistance level, turn it into support. Let us come from support, buyers come from support, I mean. So if you're having support, you're having buyers, but if you're having resistance, we're having sellers. So that's why we cannot buy of this zone, because you might take buys right now here, find this resistance, find that resistance, and then it pushes you down. Okay, so that's why we need this zone here to be turned into support. And then if you're in buys, where do you take profits from? You always take profits from resistance. Okay, so if that zone is turned into support, we shall get buys, and then we shall look for the next resistance to take our profits. So that's why when you're trading, you're looking for these ranges. From here up to here, you're having some decent pips. Those are like 53 pips. Okay, so meaning you'll get a nice trade. If you get that nice trade, you need to get support to get the buys. Okay, so after getting the buys, where is your take profit? For the buys, take profit is always at the next resistance, because at resistance you're having what? You're having sellers. Okay, as simple as that. So this candle is closing as what? This candle is closing as it's giving us support at this level here. It's giving us support this level here. And if you're to look on the left hand side, you're having clean traffic. Where is resistance? Resistance is here. Where the sellers that can push the market downwards, the sellers are here. This is where the resistance is. So we might get this kind of buys pushing up to here. Okay, pushing and filling that clean traffic on the left hand side, because when buyers are pushing upwards, they're looking for resistance. They're looking for the sellers, and where are these sellers lying? Sellers are on this level here. So we might get this candle pushing up this one here, and if we get a break this one here, we might see GU continuing to push up. Okay, so we are 30 minutes into the London session. We are 30 minutes into the London session. We are 30 minutes into the London session. Let us see if we shall get our next trade. If this range was still continuing here, we would have seen some more sellers coming in. But we saw that we had support here. We just got a few pips. And we didn't take the trade because the risk reward was a bit small. It was like 4 pips, and then the risk was like 7 pips. So we ended up missing the sales. We ended up missing these sales here because of the risk to reward. Okay, Okay. So our next decisions will be based upon these levels here. We don't want to take trade in this range here. We want to be either above there or below, such that we can make our next decision. But if you're still in this range, it may take us some time. Wait for the candles to come our way. Okay. We shall not force them to either buy or sell. We just have to put in the patience and wait for them to come. Either way, they come above here, we can take some buys. If they come below, we can take some sells. So the next minutes might be full of waiting for the candles to print. Yep. Forex it. How are you? Meaning, how are you?
We fine, just waiting here.
Only fine.
We fine, yo. Have a long day.
Enjoying the session.
Session is clear. We are enjoying learning new things. Etc.
No problem. We are still here up to 12, so just have to give him time.
Up to hours to go.
Let's give the meeting its time. Let's give the chat its time. If it remains in that zone, that would be some bit of consolidation. We leave it. You always have to show up. Bad days and good days. Okay. You have to be trading in the zone by hash Forex. Okay.
That's true.
Yeah. So I should write that book, Trading in the Zone by hash Forex. So right now we are waiting for the market to trade in our zone. Okay. So I've summarized the whole book in one stream.
Trading in a zone.
Trading in the zone. Those ones who have not yet read the book, we are here trading in the zone. So we are waiting for the market to come in our zone. Okay, we are trading in the zone. Where are the zones that we are waiting for, that we want to trade in? The zones are here. Okay. Those are our zones. The next zone is here. The zone for the sales for today is that one, and the zone for the buys is that one. Okay, in this zone we are not interested. If we stay in that zone, if you're trading in that zone, you might end up having a bad day. You might end up having a bad Friday. Okay. So if you want to be on the safer side, always trade in the zone. Trade in that zone. Trade in this zone. you'll be on a safer side. You'd have increased on your chances of having a successful trade. Okay. People on YouTube are somehow quiet. I don't know what's up. Are you enjoying the stream? Or say something, say something. How are the concepts that we are bringing out? They hard? Have we made it harder? Or are we making it more easy for you? Because that's our aim. Make things easy for you. Make things easier for you. Okay. So make sure you're trading in the zone. That's what we shall be paying for. That's the price that you have to pay for in order to have a successful trade. Make sure you're trading in the zone. If you're interested in the book is on our website. Okay. Check out our website at www.hashforexug.com. Check out our website. There is a section for education, free education. Yeah, you can read through and see some of those concepts that we are using here, that we are applying here. Okay. Those are some of the concepts we are applying here. So if you want to be on board with us, you can go read out some free education on our website. You can also come for mentorship. Okay. Ba-bum. Yes. We are still trading in the zone. BYBT strategy. That's our strategy. We said we need to get some sales below here. That's what I'm waiting for. And then the buys would be above here. Okay. Geo is straight now. Stock. It's just creating some zones, so it needs some more time. DJ is gonna give us a long day. Need to see some volume kicking in. If it doesn't blow, go above. Okay. I hope I'm loud and clear. Can you hear me? Those on YouTube, can you hear me? No. We are not yet in for buys, please. Tech UG. You're seeing buys on GU, not yet.
Damn.
As I had explained, we are at resistance. Okay, we are at resistance here. We need to get candles closing above, as I had explained that, when we had sales here, and it sold up to this what support. So right now we say that having support here, the market might push and then fill this range here to this resistance. So if you are to buy, we need the market to break above there. We are having some clean traffic above this zone, so the next resistance is this one, meaning we have this zone here. So we shall be looking for buys in that zone. That's why I want to look for buys in that zone. Okay, I want to get buys in that zone. So in 4 minutes, this candle should close respecting this zone as support, not resistance. If it closes as as resistance, then that would be bad. We need it close above, closing above. If it closes below, well, that will be bad. That will be bad. Some case on GJ. See, GJ is moving up, finding resistance, coming down, finding support. So it has to be either below or above. In this zone, no, we're not getting entries. I was explaining to you trading in the zone by hash Forex. So we want to trade in these zones, in the identified zones. Okay. So right now we need some more time. We need to give the market some more time to come our way. Okay. Yes, Sasha, you're welcome. You're welcome to our live. We are always here. We're gonna be here. Though you're late, you're 1 hour late. We started at 9. So always stay tuned. 9 a.m. to around 12 p.m. That's when we shall be here. And I think today in the New York session we don't have high impact news, so we're not gonna be on for the New York session. For those high impact news, we said in the New York session we are only trading high impact news only. Only. Share the live, such that it can reach people, please. That would be my pay from you guys. Share the live and give us that like button. Don't be selfish. Just tap on it. Okay. Tap on it. Stop on it. So 30 minutes candle has closed. It has closed. Still respecting this zone as resistance. So no decision as yet on GU. We don't have any decision as yet on GU. Also GJ, no decision as yet, because we are still in this zone. This is a no trading zone. This one is in a no trading zone. This one, no trade zone there. We want to be trading in the zone. Guys who are getting entries here might end up having a bad day, might end up having a bad week. So that's why we need to be trading in the zone, either above here or below there. You'll see when the market reaches here, it's going to move very fast, very fast. But if you're forcing the market to buy or sell at this time, you might want to give it, might stay in losses for some good time before it sells or buys, if you decide to buy in this zone. But if you take a trade in these zones here, you'll see you might wait for 3 hours and you'll take profit, get hits in 30 minutes. So you have to give it time. We were here, we saw the market coming down. Our trade was here. How long did it last? Like 5 minutes. Take profit was out. If you had entered, you would have made some money already. Okay, so that's the same thing that we're waiting for. We need this candle to close above this zone. If it closes above that zone, this zone is going to be turned into support. We need support if you want to buy. Always people say that always buy from support. If you're selling, sell from resistance. Okay, so this zone here, you're seeing buyers are pushing upwards. They're rejecting this zone. They're respecting this zone as resistance. So buys would be dangerous. You might enter, then sellers come back and push the market down here. The next support is here. So meaning might see sellers pushing the market down to this support here, and then it goes up. So we need this zone to be turned into support. We need that zone to be turned into support. Then we shall look for a decision, either to buy or sell. Okay, GJ, same case. We need to close. We need a candle closure below that support zone. Okay, if you have questions, if you have any question, you can always ask. You can always bring them. I don't have any problem answering you guys. So bring out those questions. Bring them out. 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 Clean traffic. Clean traffic here. It's gonna be a beautiful trade if we come into this zone. And if you have something like this, it will help you know that, you know what, I can hold this trade. This trade is for a short period of time. That's how you'll determine. How do you know that I'm supposed to hold this trade? How am I supposed to know that I'm supposed to create this trade early? By trading in the zone. So make sure you're trading in the zone. Okay. Trade in the zone. Always. Make sure you are trading in the zone. Okay. So those are some of the concepts that we are applying here. And you'll get to learn something. Learn how to wait. some people be waiting, but they don't know what to wait for. Okay, so it is good to wait, but even when you're waiting, you should know what you're waiting for. Okay, so for us, we're waiting for resistance on GJ, and we're waiting for support on GU. Okay. Forex it.
Yes.
GJ is on the move.
I see it. It's now pulling back.
Yeah, GJ is on the move. So I think the next candle will be able to push to the downside, filling up the range. It's closed in the range, coming in our range. GU not yet. GJ is coming. So wait for the candle closure. Candle is closing in like 10 minutes. Full mag.
Oh my god. Tell me not.
4 minutes to the candle close. Where has it closed from? It has closed slightly below here. GU still in the zone, not good. GJ. The candle closure was a bit. We need first push up to create a top wick. We need a top wick on this candle, as the other trade was. Then see if we can get a trade. So it has closed slightly. So need to be careful on this one. But it is in our zone right now, so we have chances of it coming and filling the range downwards here. Most likely to get some sales, but I need this candle to first make a top wick, then it flips bearish to see if it can come down here. That's what I'm looking at. So let it first flip bullish, give us a top wick, flip bullish, and then it comes back down. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm waiting for. But if it doesn't, I just continue pushing downwards. Be a bit risky putting your stop loss on this small wick. It also has chances of continuing downwards. You can have as our first take profit on this bottom wick here, and then final TP is there. Continue pushing downwards. I see the momentum is great. I need it first to push upwards to make a top wick. That's what I wanted. It's fading to might be a bit risky. Forex it. Forex it. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
How are you seeing GBP
I'm selling GJ.
Yeah, it was going to be a good sell, but and has not yet given us a top wick. Hasn't yet given us a top wick.
Hmm.
Yeah. But it has chances of pushing downwards. One would be here. If it can first give us a So here it would be our final TP. Push up upward. First go back up to give us a top wick. So right now we are in our zone. We are trading in the zone. At this time we are in the zone. Right now we are in the zone. So we're not yet in. We are not yet in. We are not yet in. Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Don't do less like that. Please, 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 please. You still the same case, not yet. it doesn't, then we shall wait for the next candle to do that. Oh God. Trade is not yet active. We are not yet in. We are not yet in. Forex it. Forex it. Forex it, Forex it, Forex it. What's up? You're quiet.
Yeah, live and clear, loud and clear. Are
you in? What's up? You're quiet.
Just looking at DJ.
Yeah.
It's what you call waiting.
Waiting to see if that 30-minute candle can give us what it might continue pushing upwards. Yeah. So I'm still waiting on it to see, but if it doesn't, then our London session is going to end at that. Shall pause it at that. So right now there's 50-50 chances of it going up and it coming down. Yeah. Because we are in our zone already. We're in the selling zone already. So I'm exhausted already, man. Gosh. I think the momentum is done. The momentum is done. The next one will be around 2 to 3 there. That's when New York session is starting. It's right now. Right now. We have one session active. That your session has ended, so equity needs to go move. Still 2 or 3 there. So I think I'm gonna end it here for today. I'm gonna end it here for today. And we shall meet again on Monday. We shall meet again on Monday, 9 a.m. for the London session. If you have any high impact news on Monday, we shall be on for it, but I don't think so. Yeah, Monday next week, 9 a.m. Then Tuesday we shall be on for CPI, the New York session. Alright. Thanks for watching. We shall meet again tomorrow.